All right, driving today. We're in Monroe, Washington. Take that cap off. A little dirty vent, not too bad. Doesn't seem clogged, but it seems a little dirty. Still gonna clean it out anyways, because that's what we do at Four Seasons. All right, so we're gonna turn our compressor on, our handy dandy air compressor. We're maxed out, okay. Let's see. Turn the lever up. Make sure the lever's up. Off. Turn that on. Move our cone. Fire in a hole, baby. Alright. So now I'm going to stick this attachment with these rods, send it all the way down the drive vent. If I need any more, I'll add more. Alright, so once I get everything connected, send it down the pipe a little bit. Turn it down. Just like that. Down a little bit more. Just like that.